What do dreams about peeing mean? If you've ever woken up from a dream about peeing and wondered what it could mean, you're not alone. These dreams can be quite vivid and often leave us with more questions than answers. First, let's consider the most common interpretation: the need to release emotions. Dreams about peeing often symbolize the act of letting go of something that's been holding you back. Just like how urinating rids the body of waste, these dreams can indicate a desire to cleanse your mind and spirit of negative thoughts or emotions. Imagine the relief you feel when you finally use the toilet after holding it in for a long time. This feeling of relief in your dream can reflect a comfort level you once had in your waking life, suggesting that you need to release some emotional blockages or trauma that have been stagnating your energy. Another aspect to consider is the issue of control. If you dream about holding in urine, it might suggest a fear of losing control in your life. On the other hand, freely peeing in a dream can symbolize a willingness to surrender and trust the natural flow of events. Dreams about peeing in public or inappropriate places can be particularly telling. These scenarios often reflect feelings of embarrassment, vulnerability, or a lack of privacy. It might indicate that you're feeling judged or exposed in some area of your life, or that you're struggling with setting healthy boundaries with others. The presence of blood in your urine in a dream is also significant. This doesn't mean you'll find blood in your real urine, but rather it symbolizes a loss of vital energy or life force. It could point to emotional trauma, a lack of direction, or even fatigue and financial loss. These dreams are trying to grab your attention because you've been ignoring something important for too long. Additionally, dreams about peeing can have sexual connotations. For some people, these dreams might represent a need for sexual release or a desire for intimacy. However, it's crucial to consider the context of your dream and any personal associations you have with urination. From a spiritual perspective, peeing in a dream can symbolize the need to release negative energy and purify your soul. It's a call to cleanse and renew yourself on a deeper level, and to stay grounded and mindful in the present moment. In summary, dreams about peeing are not just random occurrences, they carry a wealth of symbolic meaning. They can indicate the need for emotional release, a desire for control, or even a call for spiritual purification. By understanding these dreams, you can gain insights into your subconscious fears, desires, and anxieties, and take steps to address them in your waking life.